Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. It's becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives, from virtual assistants on our phones to predictive algorithms that recommend what we buy and watch. But what does the future hold for AI? In this video, we'll explore some of the possibility. One of the most promising areas of AI development is in the field of automation. By using AI to automate routine tasks, businesses can increase efficiency and productivity while freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative work. In manufacturing, robots powered by AI can work faster and more accurately than humans, and they never tire or make mistakes. This could revolutionize the manufacturing industry, leading to faster production times, lower costs, and higher quality products. In healthcare, AI is already being used to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases and developing treatment plans. In the future, AI-powered robots could perform surgery with incredible precision, reducing the risk of human error and speeding up recovery times. Self-driving cars are another area where AI is making rapid progress. With sensors and cameras that allow them to navigate roads and avoid obstacles, these vehicles could eventually reduce traffic accidents and congestion, as well as freeing up time for commuters to work, relax, or socialize. And then there are virtual assistants, such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, which are becoming more sophisticated with each passing day. They can help us find information, manage our schedules, and control our smart homes. As AI continues to improve, these virtual assistants may even be able to predict our needs and preferences before we ask. AI is also making advances in the world of virtual and augmented reality. By creating more realistic and immersive experiences, these technologies could revolutionize everything from entertainment to education, allowing us to explore new worlds and learn in ways we never thought possible. Of course, there are concerns about AI as well. Some worry that as AI becomes more advanced, it could lead to widespread job loss or even threaten our very existence. There are also concerns about privacy and security, as AI systems collect and analyze more and more data about us. But overall, the potential benefits of AI far outweigh the risks. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a future that is safer, more efficient, and more fulfilling for everyone. So whether you're a scientist, a business owner, or just someone interested in the future, keep an eye on AI. It's sure to shape our world in ways we can't even imagine.